What if you could travel at the speed of light? Imagine the possibilities, the adventures, and the mysteries you could uncover. Light speed is mind-blowingly fast, 299,792 kilometers per second, or about 186,000 miles per second. That's so fast that it defies our everyday understanding of speed. To put that into perspective, light can circle the Earth 7.5 times in just 1 second. Imagine standing still and watching a beam of light zip around the globe multiple times before you can even blink. Imagine this: you're cruising through space at light speed, zipping past stars and galaxies in the blink of an eye. The universe would unfold before you like a cosmic tapestry, each star a new destination. But it's not just about speed, it's about bending the very fabric of time and space. Traveling at light speed would mean experiencing time in a completely different way. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, at light speed, time slows down and distances shrink. Crazy, right? This means that a journey that would take years at normal speeds could be completed in mere moments. In our everyday lives, light speed plays a crucial role. For instance, sunlight takes only 8 minutes to travel from the sun to Earth. This light sustains life, powers our ecosystems, and warms our planet. And how about those lightning-fast internet speeds? That's fiber optics, baby. Fiber optics use light to transmit data, making our digital world incredibly fast and efficient. Now let's get a bit wild. What if we could harness this speed for space travel? If you could travel at the speed of light, where would you go in the universe? The Andromeda Galaxy? It's the closest spiral galaxy to our Milky Way, yet it's still 2.537 million light-years away. The edge of the observable universe? That's about 46.5 billion light-years away. Imagine the wonders and unknowns that lie beyond our current reach. The possibilities are endless. Each star, each galaxy, a new frontier waiting to be explored. Remember, light travels fast, but your imagination travels faster. Let your mind wander and dream of the infinite possibilities. Share and subscribe to join us on more cosmic adventures. The universe is vast, and together we can explore its wonders.